We're not supposed to open up a truck and see stacks of bodies in there. None of us come to work imagining that. The patients that we saw were hot to the touch. They were suffering from heat stroke, heat exhaustion, no signs of water in the vehicle. It was a refrigerated tractor trailer, but there was no visible working AC unit on that rig.
A worker heard a cry for help, came out to investigate, found a trailer with the doors partially open, opened them up to take a look, and found a number of deceased individuals inside.
The ones that we did transport, we do hope that they're all going to survive. None of these people were able to extricate themselves out of the truck, so they were still in there awaiting help when we arrived.
What do you mean by were they not able to?
Joey, meaning just being too weak in state to actually get out and help themselves.
It's tragic. You know, there are that we know of 46 individuals who are no longer with us, who had families, who were likely trying to find a better life, and we have 16 folks who are fighting for their lives in their hospital. Our focus right now is to try to bring aid to them as best we can, but this is nothing short of a horrific human tragedy.